Now let me talk about the common failures of India and Pakistan. As far as the failures are concerned, the first is the bureaucratic system of the country. The bureaucrats of both India and Pakistan have no sense of responsibility and yet have to become bureaucrats in real sense. They have not been able to give their better share to the country. The next is the corrupt politicians of the country. Both in India and Pakistan, the politicians are yet not honest and dedicated. They are yet not ready to give a strong leadership to the country. There have been turmoil in the country, say political turmoils, when Pakistan has had the worst of its kind with dictatorship to transition to democracy and so on. And in India, even though we have democracy, but the real true democracy is still to come. Even the fiscal development, that is the deficit which is there, is also much visible. The money which is generated, that is the higher taxes which we have been levying on our population, not required, but still to meet the expenditure on the defense, because we are always at war with each other. It is said that India and Pakistan are always at war with each other. So, the taxes which the people have to give, the burden of the taxes on the people and the bad fiscal management leading to so much of debt in the country and also rise in the loans is a poor dismal picture of the failure of both the countries, India and Pakistan.